The zone of possible agreement, ZOPA, also known as the bargaining range, is a pivotal concept in negotiation theory that refers to the range of outcomes within which both parties in a negotiation can reach a mutually acceptable agreement. It represents the overlap between the minimum and maximum points that each party is willing to accept. Understanding and identifying the ZOPA is essential for achieving successful negotiations and resolving conflicts. In a negotiation, each party enters with their own set of preferences, objectives, and limits. The ZOPA arises when there is an area of common ground between these initial positions. This common ground signifies potential for compromise and agreement. Negotiators strive to find the ZOPA and reach an outcome within it because it ensures that both parties gain something while avoiding an impasse. Identifying the ZOPA involves careful analysis of each party's positions, interests, and alternatives to reaching an agreement. The lower and upper limits of the ZOPA are influenced by factors such as personal preferences, financial considerations, external circumstances, and underlying motivations. A negotiator's success depends on their ability to explore these aspects and determine the concessions they can make while still achieving a favorable outcome. The ZOPA can be determined through open communication, information exchange, and creative problem solving. Effective negotiators engage in active dialogue to understand the priorities and constraints of the other party. By revealing these factors, negotiators can expand the ZOPA and explore options that accommodate both parties' needs. However, negotiators must also be cautious of unrealistic expectations that can lead to a failure in finding a ZOPA. If the parties' initial positions are too far apart or if they are unwilling to adjust their expectations, the negotiation may fall outside the ZOPA, resulting in a stalemate or breakdown of talks. Successful negotiation involves strategies to maximize the potential of the ZOPA. These strategies may include uncovering hidden interests, prioritizing needs over wants, finding common ground, and offering creative solutions that satisfy both parties' concerns. By focusing on the ZOPA, negotiators can foster an environment of cooperation and collaboration, leading to mutually beneficial outcomes. In conclusion, the zone of possible agreement, ZOPA, is a fundamental concept in negotiation theory that defines the range of outcomes in which parties can reach a mutually acceptable agreement. It hinges on the overlap between the minimum and maximum points that each party is willing to accept. Identifying the ZOPA requires understanding the parties' positions, interests, and alternatives. Successful negotiation involves effective communication, exploring shared interests, and creative problem solving to expand the ZOPA and find solutions that satisfy both parties. Recognizing and leveraging the ZOPA is crucial for achieving positive outcomes and resolving conflicts through a balanced and collaborative approach.